So I know Blankcanvas doesn't look like much right now because I'm only creating the skeleton of the application, but it is running, and it's also running on your local IP address now, including the server that runs the back end. Now, what I want to illustrate here is that via the fact that this interface can be loaded on, for example, a mobile phone, which is very unlikely, and I'm not intending to support mobile phones in this particular way with this whole interface. It's just too heavy. But obviously with tablets and with desktop, and phones will have a part to play, and you'll see that later. But when we're broadcasting this application in all different environments and different browsers, you can see that I'm running the same application, which is here. The same application is now able to be accessed from literally any other device on the network, whether it be a tablet, whether it be another PC, a Mac, a PC, or a GNU system. Then we need to be able to kind of see what these devices are doing at some points. Maybe we need to debug something. Maybe this is a coding issue. Don't forget, this is just as much of a design application as it is a code-based application. So it is important also to remember that having the ability to screenshot or take video recordings of other applications is good. Now, I just want to say a quick note. I am a big privacy advocate. So obviously this feature will be completely locked down, and each time that you request a recording or a screen recording or a screenshot of any one of those devices running Blankcanvas, that you have to get the user's permission first. You are not allowed to just go and, just because you're the root node, you're the server, you should be able to look at anybody's devices. There could be personal information on here, there could be secretive information. So, or they could have a Word document open that could breach GDPR. So, every time that you go to record a session or try to take a screenshot of all the other devices connected to, the root node or the cloud or whatever it is, if you want to take a screenshot, it asks the user on that device. So whoever's using this browser, if I say on my desktop, go and get a screenshot from the browser's going to go, hold on a minute. My Blankcanvas will come up and say, this person is trying to take a screenshot or is trying to record your screen or stream your screen. So I think that that's useful for debugging, but also from a privacy perspective, we'll always make sure, and it's never set by default, always, every time you request it, it comes up just like you do with your green phone button. That's like the request, yes, I accept. And so if you deny it, then that permission will be denied from the person who's requesting it. So I'm keeping the privacy, but I'm increasing the ability to connect with one another and also debug from that standpoint and perspective.